Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Basecamp for beginners step by step. Basecamp is a simple yet powerful project management and team collaboration platform that helps you organize tasks, share files, communicate with your team, and keep every project in one place. So let's get started. First, sign into your Basecamp account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to explore the interface and become familiar with your projects, notifications, and account menu. Next, create your first project by clicking New Project or Create Project. Give your project a clear name, then invite your teammates so everyone can collaborate in the same workspace. Once your project is ready, explore the built-in tools. Use to-dos to organize tasks, message board for announcements and discussions, Campfire for real-time team chat, schedule to track meetings and deadlines, and docs and files to store and share important documents. As your team begins working, assign tasks with due dates, upload files, post updates, and communicate regularly within the project instead of relying on scattered emails. Keeping everything inside Basecamp makes it much easier to stay organized and monitor project progress. Finally, review your dashboard often to track notifications, completed tasks, upcoming deadlines, and recent activity. The more consistently you use Basecamp's built-in tools, the easier it becomes to manage projects efficiently, and that's it. You now know the basics of using Basecamp as a beginner and are ready to organize projects, collaborate with your team, and stay productive. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next